Easy out in front, followed by Harrison. Brian Gross right behind him. Brian Easy keeping it smooth. Oh, Harrison with the bobble. Gross right behind him. Harrison bobbles again. Gross takes him on the inside corner. Oh, Gross the bubble. Now Harrison on the inside. Oh, Harrison takes a little wide. Gross trying to sneak around the inside of him. Oh, overjumps him. In the bowl, side by side. Harrison back on the inside. Oh, Gross has been out a little bit. Easy, looks like he's got a little bit of breathing room. There's your leader. Oh, Gross banging wheelies. So that's going to give everybody a little bit of breathing room. Got Easy in first. Harrison second. And Brian Gross in third. .435 to go. 4:35 to go. Harrison's your leader in the points right now for Stadium Truck. Gross right behind him, second. And I didn't get ready. Looks like the Easy will bump up there in the third position. Oh no. Looks like falling. Bad luck for Harrison. As long as Gross can keep it together. See if he can get him going real quick.
He lost him nut.
Oh, he didn't lost him nut? Okay. Bad luck for Harrison. Damn it. Looks like Harrison is easy. He's got a half lap on him. Yes, easy in the first position, that Aqua color truck right there. Your leader right down the middle of the track. Doing a little chicane. Over the tabletop. There's the double. Going towards that hairpin back there. Truck comes up pretty good. A lot of speed down that straightaway. Up corner, middle. There's your second place position on his lid. Brian Gross.
What's that? Put it in your pocket.
And here they come, drag racing. Gross trying to pace him. Oh! Oh no. Is he okay? Are you okay? Okay. Wow. At least she's okay. She's tough. Right on. Good job. Brian's trying to kill people out here. Brian was going for big air on that jump. Easy out in front. 16.6 flat. Brian's on a 14.616 right now. Easy got a fast lap of 23.4 and Gross is fast lap of 25.4. Minute 45 left to go. What do you like to think everybody's coming out sport series? Easy with a little bobble. There goes your leader. Middle of the track over the double into the bowl. Oh. There's Brian Gross. Silver and blue car. The Yeezy coming up on him again. Brian trying to keep him away from getting out. Oh, I think he gets under him. Beautiful racing out here in California. Gotta love the weather. Nice, warm, good breeze. Looks like Brian Gross is going to take the first place in the points now. Harris is going to bump down to second. Easy will probably take third. And I'll be last. No problem. 10 seconds left. Keep going until you hear your name called. Ryan Sakisi, you are done.
Come on, Ryan.
Yeah, Brian Gross right now. That's the race. Ryan Sakisi, your winner, 16-6-15. Good job.